How to enable predictive app suggestions on Nothing Phone. This tutorial shows you how to use the AI-powered Smart Drawer to get app suggestions and auto-sorted categories. First, open your app drawer by swiping up from your home screen. After that, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. From there, look for Smart Drawer within this menu. At this point, tap on it to open the settings. In the next step, toggle it on if it isn't already enabled. Following this, this automatically sorts your apps into categorized folders and learns which apps to suggest based on your usage. Once done, exit back and open your app drawer to see your apps now grouped and suggested automatically. From here, if you'd rather manually control which apps appear at the top instead of relying on AI suggestions, look for pin apps within the same drawer settings. At this stage, select your preferred apps to pin them permanently to the top, bypassing the need for suggestions entirely. Keep in mind, Smart Drawer needs some time and regular usage to learn your habits before its suggestions become more accurate. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've set up Smart Drawer the way you'd like. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable predictive app suggestions on Nothing Phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.